I am Parmarsar, and today we will talk about a very difficult, or we can say a very fundamental JEE problem. So it's related to domain of a function. Okay, so here, if you see the question, then you might feel that this is a very difficult question, but these type of questions are very fundamental and very easy to solve. You just need fundamentals clear. So let's see what is domain. First, we have to understand domain. Okay, so domain is a boundary. If a function picks a value other than domain, then a function may feel undefined behavior. Okay, so domain is just a boundary where a function will feel safe and will give a real output. Okay, so let's see the problem directly in just easy manner. So we have to find the domain of this function. So here first we have to remove a points where these below term becomes 0, because if this denominator becomes 0, then the whole argument of log will become infinity, which is undefined. Okay, so first we have to see that where it becomes 0. So the answer is square both sides, then we will get x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 4. Then x, let square root both sides, then x will be plus and minus 2. Okay, so here we have to remove x is equal to plus or minus 2 from this. Let's see another thing. We know that log function, if this is a log function, then it must be greater than or equal to 0. This is the condition, because log function cannot be a negative number or negative number. So what will happen here? Just put our function here, base is 0.6 and our argument is mod 2x minus 5. Okay, this will be greater than or equal to 0. And you know one condition, and it's very fundamental to know that if by is equal to b raised to x, this is an exponential form. If we convert it into logarithmic form, then it will be x is equal to log y base b. This is a rule. We can convert logarithmic function into exponential function or reverse, vice versa. So here there is one condition, that b belongs to 0 to 1. So here our b is 0.6. So this is already satisfying this condition. So we can apply this rule. So here the answer will be 2x minus 5 in mod divided by under root x square minus 4 and less or equal to 0.6 to the power 0. Okay, why we have changed the sign? You can see that here direction of sign changed, because we changed the logarithmic to exponential form. So you have to remember that point. Okay, so here next part is very easy, so we can solve the next part. So 0.6 to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, just multiply both sides with under root x square minus 4 in this equation. So we will get mod 2x minus 5 to the power 2 less or equal to 1 multiplied by mod x square minus 4 whole power 2. So the answer will be, we can remove the mod sign because here we have taken square. So it just 2x minus 5 square less or equal to, here we can cancel out square root and square. So here x square minus 4. So if you simplify this equation, then we will get the last term. So we will get 3x square minus 20x plus 29 less or equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, and we have to solve, and we have to find where x becomes 0, because this is a less than or equal to sign. So we can take 3x square minus 20x plus 29 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve by discriminant method, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you can find, so I'm simply writing answers. So if you put here a is 3, b is minus 20, c is 29. So our answer will be, so if we put less than here, then what we will get? We will get the x is in interval 10 plus root 13 divided by 3, and now here we have to take minus sign. Just a minute. 10 minus root 13 divided by 3 and up to 10 plus root 13 divided by 3. Okay. And last condition, we have to check also that where the log, we know that log 0 is undefined. So we have to check where mod 2x minus 5 becomes 0. So we can clearly see that if we put x is equal to what, 5 by 2, then it will become 0. So we have to cancel out 5 by 2 in our from our domain, and we have to cancel out also plus or minus 2 in from our domain, and we have to take this interval as in our domain. So combining these three terms, we will get the final answer. So let's combine. So we have to combine three conditions, that we don't have to take 5 by 2, then x we don't have to take plus or minus 2. The meaning of this is we can take minus infinity to 2, and here we can take also minus 2, then 2 to infinity. Okay, and we also have a third condition, which is 3. So combining all three conditions, we will get the final answer, which is interval 10 minus root 3 divided by 3 up to 5 by 2, open interval, union of close interval 5 by 2 to 10 plus root 30 divided by 3. So this is our final answer. So you can see that we have to combine three conditions, so we will get the answer. So there are many fundamentals we have learned about logarithmic function. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you.